Hello and welcome to a new tutorial video. In a previous video I showed you how to use the single article scraper from Crawlomatic. Now I will show you how to use the Regex feature for this plugin to replace anything from the post content with anything you wish. So Regex is a very powerful feature. Let me show you how to use it. Okay. So as before, let's start scraping a single article from TechCrunch. Let's configure it quickly to import some content. So set the class from where you want to import like this. Save settings. And now I will show you how the article looks if we don't use regex editing on it. So here it is. It is an imported article as the source. Links are standard links. If we click them, then the page goes over there. The links target. Okay, but now let's say I want to edit all links, and I want all links to point to my website, CodeRevolution.ro. Okay, so how I do this is I use a cool little website called Regexer. So regexer.com. This is the address, regexer.com. I will link in this video's description so you can check the site. Let me demonstrate how this works. So first of all, we inspect the source of the article. Let's say, as I said before, I want to replace all links target with my website. So if the user clicks on any of the imported links, the scraped links, then my website will pop up instead of these targets. So for this, let's copy the HTML elements content that includes the entire article. In this case is this one. And let's go to Regexer and paste it here. As you can see, it is a big article. And now let's search for the element which contains links. So here you must know a bit of HTML. Let's search for ahref. So if you check this, this is the HTML element that contains the link, and paste it here in the expression section. Now delete everything from the href parameter, quote from quote to quote, and leave only this. Here I will enter. Here also you have a cheat sheet. If you click on the cheat sheet, you can nicely learn regex. So regex is something that goes on the text and starts matching it. And you can define wildcards and expressions that match the text in a way or another. So if we leave it like this, then this will match exactly as it is. So this will match the same text as we entered here. We can also use these special operators and characters to match multiple content other than these static matchings. So let's go ahead and create a matching rule. Like this, we will select a capturing group. We will create a capturing group if we use these parentheses, and let's match everything that is not quote. Let's match as many values as possible and make the matching lazy. So if you hover your mouse over this, then you will see that a tooltip will appear and the operator will be explained. So this is the nice part for the regexer.com, because they explain what operator you entered and what does it mean and what does it exactly do. So I entered here an expression that will match all links from the article. So you can see that all links are highlighted now. And now we can go ahead and copy this and paste it to plugin settings in the regex. Run regex on content settings field and replace matches from regex with something I want to replace. So let's go ahead then and replace with my website address, and if we want to also open the page in a new tab, we should enter like this, target blank. Okay, now save settings, delete the old article and re-import it. Now let's go to our page, refresh, and as we can see, links now point to CodeRevolution blog. Okay, so all links now point to CodeRevolution blog. This is how to use the regex feature from the Crawlomatic plugin. I know it is a bit advanced and you should know HTML, and also you should know and you should start learning regex, but believe me, if you know regex, then you have infinite possibilities and can modify imported articles as you wish. Okay, so this is for now. This is a basic article on the regex feature for Crawlomatic. If you liked it, subscribe to this channel, and until next time, bye bye.